Hello and welcome to this training where I'll show you how to create and manage your customers through a CRM. So this is an easy platform to use, so it will help you a lot to know who you need to contact, who you need to follow up, who are your clients, and how to move them through your letter. All right, so let's start first with the basics. In order to move them here, the best way is to use a landing page like a funnel where we give them something for free in exchange of their email address, name, and phone number. Of course, we can also sell something, so we can collect the same details and then move them here automatically, of course, because we don't want to spend time. So what we have here is the name tab, email, phone number, the lead status. I will show you how to use them in every of these, and then the program that they bought, the tags, and the date that this was created. Of course, you can edit everything and customize it for your own needs. I gave you this example because it looks more as something that we use in our business, and it's something that we implement in our client's business as well. So first thing, let me show you how the two steps funnel work. If you didn't watch the last training where I gave you guys the funnel so you can implement it. If you did, well, that's awesome because now we'll create the CRM. Let's see if my connection works. Come on. Yep, and here we go. Connection was restored. So this is the two-step funnel that we use. As I said, you can have it, you can use it. I'll give you the whole funnel. So just as a recap, we've created a PDF guide that we give it in exchange of the client's email address and phone number, right? So it's this simple. It's just three sections. All right, so let's test this out. I will say info. All right. Oops, what? Okay, let's download this. Now let's go to this contacts tab. As you can see, this is the last contact that I've created. So the last contact that went through the funnel, it automatically was sent to our contacts tab. So here on the contacts tab, if we click on our name, email, or phone number, it will open the details. So these details, we will see the date when this contact was added. We'll see the orders, we'll see other marketing details, and also we'll see all the properties. So in the notes, we can note everything that we have here. Let's say it's a new lead. We didn't call this lead yet, so we don't know exactly what to note there. And the status, if we are starting to engage, we will move this into the new lead. All right, and the program, as for now, we cannot move him. Yeah, and for properties, we can select the program that we sent. Of course, this is customizable, so you can add your own programs. As we sell different nutrition plans, we sell workout plans, we have monthly recurring membership, and we have our fitness mastermind. So let's say for now it's nothing. Okay, the nice part is that it will automatically save, so we can just go back to contacts, and you'll see here the lead, it's a new lead. Maybe if you're single in your business and you don't have a team, let's say appointment setters, as for now, you'll know exactly who. I mean, you will if you don't have so many contacts, it will be easy to know who are new leads. But if you'll have like 30 to 40 new leads, 50 new leads per day, this software, it will really makes your life easier. So let's say you start your day in the morning and you want to contact the new leads and move them through the triage call and then book a sales call. Okay. In order to not scroll like crazy through here and find the people with new leads, you just you can click on filter, add a filter, go through lead status and select the people with new leads. All right, so now you have them. You have them here, so you can click on them and start contacting them. You have the phone number, you can copy paste and call them. All right, let's say this is this person wants weight loss. Okay, so we are speaking with this guy on the phone, and that means that we did the triage. Okay, after we do the triage call, then we move him. If we book a sales call, we move him through the sales call and so on. Of course, these filters will be changed. Let's say booked. All right, so we will see this person here as call booked. Okay, and that's how we move them. Let's say we have this program, we have this call and we sell him a program. We can go through the program and say, let's say we sell him the nutrition plan. It's an example. What you will see is here the nutrition appeared, and let's say we move him to client, because it's important to see who's the client. Okay, and now let's just fix this client. All right, so we will see who our clients are, and we'll see the date that we created them. Also, we can assign the date. I was with the other one with this. Okay, so let's say started nutrition plan on 16 January. Okay, so in this way we will know when we start to work with this client and when his plan expire and so on. Of course, we can add more tabs over here, and we can also add the expire tag where we'll know when we need to inform the client or set automatically email in order to remind him that he can continue to work with us. Also, almost forgot, we also there's a nice feature over here. Let's say if you want to contact this person, we just click here, send email, and if we click here, we can just say hi and say something more because it's a subject, and then we can create the email and then we can send it, or we can schedule it. So these features are really nice. All right, so let me know if you have any other questions. I'll be happy to respond. And yeah, if for some unknown reason you didn't got this funnel, let me know. I will also put a link down below or the button. I don't know where you watch this video. If we don't see the link, in order to get this funnel and create your CRM, to have all of this CRM tab over here, let me know and I will help you set this up. Okay, awesome. So that's it for now. See you in the next video. Bye.